I saw a panda. I saw a panda. I saw a panda. He saw a flower. He saw a flower. He saw a flower. She is nice. She is nice. She is nice. She's nice. She's nice. She's nice. He's nice. He's nice. He's nice. What about us? What about us? What about us? He likes orange juice. He likes orange juice. He likes orange juice. It starts now. It starts now. It starts now. I play basketball. I play basketball. I play basketball. She likes dancing. She likes dancing. She likes dancing. My feet are sore. My feet are sore. My feet are sore. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Learning English is fun. Learning English is fun. Learning English is fun. He likes movies. He likes movies. He likes movies. Are you doing good? Are you doing good? Are you doing good? I have schoolwork. I have schoolwork. I have schoolwork. Lee has to take a test. Lee has to take a test. Lee has to take a test. I have to go to the bathroom. I have to go to the bathroom. I have to go to the bathroom. No. 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 How did you do that? How did you do that? How did you do that? Her favorite color is yellow. Her favorite color is yellow. Her favorite color is yellow. That looks gross. That looks gross. That looks gross. I want a pet horse. I want a pet horse. I want a pet horse. We can arrive by tomorrow. We can arrive by tomorrow. We can arrive by tomorrow. Separate the clothes. Separate the clothes. Separate the clothes.